Self-employed borrowers, I want to talk to you for a second. Okay. The question I get a lot from self-employed borrowers is, I want to buy a home. How much income should I claim on my tax returns? Everyone knows that self-employed borrowers, I made $1 million. I wrote off 950,000 of it. Right? You made $50,000 that year. Well, we all know you make more than that. Okay. You know it. We know it. Everyone knows it. Okay. So when borrowers like that come to me and they say, I want to qualify for a home, how much income do I need to claim? And I'm going to tell you the same thing I tell them all the time. I wouldn't worry about it. What I would explore is, let's look at other options and don't involve you paying the IRS 10, 20, 40, $100,000 more in income taxes. Let's look at doing a 12-month business bank statement loan. Let's look at doing a profit and loss loan. All right, let's look at loans that don't involve your tax returns. Now, if you want to get the best absolute possible rate, it's going to involve your tax returns, conventional, FHA, VA, etc. Here are my tax returns. This is how much money I make. And you can go back and say, well, I need to make, this year I need to claim an extra $100,000, to qualify for that house that I want. Well, when you do that, you're paying income taxes on that $100,000. Do the math on that, 20, 25, 30,000, 15,000, whatever that number is going to be. That money's going to the IRS and it's gone. All right? Bye-bye. Okay? That money could have been used for a down payment on a new home. Use a 12-month business bank statement loan. We go off the average deposits going into your business bank account. All right? That's the move I would look at doing before. When you go to apply, okay, I want to see your last year's tax returns. We want to see them. We want to see if we can get you the best deal possible. And if we can't do those tax returns, you're never going to hear me go and say, hey, you better amend these. You better claim more next year or whatever. It's going to be, no, let's look at your business bank statements now. Let's make it work this way. I don't want you paying more money to the IRS. Let's look at it this way instead. So anyhow, if you're self-employed and thinking about like, hey, how much money do I claim this year or whatever, give me a shout. Let's talk about the bank statement loan. All right, see if that helps you out. Call me anytime.